So Casey and I were talking about spinning attacks and how to use them off of maybe like a fail attack that gets you knocked over to the side. So if Casey's throwing a leg kick down, you're still a leg kick out there. What I should be doing ideally is checking that kick and coming right back to a strong stance. That's ideal, okay? Always coming back to a strong stance in front of your partner. That doesn't always happen. So if Casey throws a leg kick at me, he knocks me a little bit off balance, or maybe I'm throwing a push kick and he knocks my leg away. Again, you should try and get back to a good stance, but again, that's not always gonna happen. They might be a lot faster than you. You might not have time to bring your leg back. So what you can do is use that energy to follow through and do a spinning back attack. So you're just spinning back, fist, elbow, or kick. So we'll do the push kick. Casey's gonna knock my foot away a few times. On the third one, I'm gonna come around. So if he's using this left hand, his right hand's up high. My spinning back fist isn't gonna be my best bet, but my spinning back kick to the liver will be. So keep going here. You're gonna do it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. So framing, yeah. So what I'm doing with this is Casey pushes my foot away. The key is to make sure when you're in the right distance and to get the heel of your lead leg aimed to your target. My heel's into that bag, my spinning back is gonna go that way. If I can turn my heel towards Casey, now all I have to do is lift my heel up on this foot to my butt and look back and my attack's right there. If he's got his hand down for whatever reason, same thing. I'm gonna look, come around that spinning back fist to here. If you drop into closer to the distance, you can step into here, that'll be your spinning back elbow. So we'll go back to the kick first. He's gonna knock it away, that's gonna open side where his liver is. So I drop, heel's aimed, I turn and look, heel comes up. And you got a simple liver kick to the liver, simple heel kick to the liver. Very, very painful that one. If he's dropping his right hand, if I see that right hand come down, I can come around and spin back fist here. And again, you're a little bit closer. You can do with the elbow. So you can ride that momentum. Same with leg kicks here. You can do leg kick, please. Knocks me off balance a little bit. Same thing. Won't come around. If he does a switch kick, I can check here. Bring my foot down. Come back up and around. So anytime your hips are turned, away from your partner, ideally as a beginner, you should try and get back to a good base. But if you can't, you have a spinning back attack as an option. All right. Thanks, man. I think that's good.